Namaskaram. Good morning and good evening to Rasikas and friends logging in from the United States. I am extremely grateful for your presence in this session. I can't use the word I'm happy when there is so much sadness and suffering around the world. We're going to play a small game before we start to chant slokas that we will be offering as a garland to Mother Earth. I want each one of you to think you are a short film director. Let's look through the camera lens at 4 shots. January 1st, 2020. So much of joy in the world, so much of celebration. So many people, almost everyone, exchanging Happy New Year with joy and with anticipation of a whole new decade. Wondering at the uniqueness of the number 2020. All of us had lofty dreams, ambitions, plans, schedule for the year, events lined up, etc., etc. That is the first shot. The second shot. A little later in January, perhaps the last week of January, much is changing. The virus is hurled at the world, and we are swimming in the anxiety, the panic, the restlessness, the different degrees of emotion and tension that comes with it. And one more thing, frantic messaging. It starts from Wuhan in China and then slowly sweeps across the world. This is the second shot. The third shot. We're all before the TVs, holding our phones in our hands, always watching the developments across the world. And slowly we move to the end of February and the beginning of March when we had the first cases in Kerala. As we sit in leisure towards the end of March, due to our revered Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji's request, we had the Janata curfew on the 22nd of March, and then incidentally the government decided on a lockdown for 21 days. Many are working from home, equal number are sitting at leisure. Instead of sending across meaningless, multiple messages, sometimes some of them don't even have the truth in it. They are fake. Instead of doing that, it would be so good and humane to connect with your friends and say, hello, how are you? Hope you are coping with the situation well. Stay indoors in isolation. Stay strong, positive, and hopeful. Doesn't this make more sense? Each of us, as a human on this planet, we own the earth. we have a role to play. We have a responsible role to play. And let's do it well. This is the moment, this is the phase when each of us has to rise up and stand tall and do our bit. Show concern, show love, show compassion, show affection, show caring for the elders. Prayer is a key to open the door to a whole new sphere of positivity. Have faith and trust in the designs that the universe holds for us. Rabindranath Tagore said, "The significance that lies in unity is an eternal wonder." Yes, I know, we are all struggling to get out of this phase. It's like we're looking at a beautiful full moon, and then suddenly there is an eclipse, and we wait for the eclipse to pass. This is the same situation. We are all crossing our fingers, praying, doing different positive things to allow this difficult phase to slowly transit and allow this world to become normal. Normal without the existence of this deadly virus. Let us bring meaning and joy to this world in our own little ways every day. Visualize. This is the fourth shot that when you're looking through your camera lens, we have now arrived at the fourth shot where we all are united with the trust, with the hope, with belief, with goodness. Let us visualize a healthy world. Drop all your distractions for this moment and let us be in the moment. Let us be mindful of these moments, the next few moments, maybe for 15 to 20 minutes. I begin again. Visualize a healthy world. Ask, plead, put forth a request to the universe. Ask for healing, well-being, and good health of every human being. Let's not be selfish and think only of us, of the I, me, myself, and my family. Yes, of course, it comes first, but let's embrace the world. Visualize happiness. Visualize smiles on faces. Relief. Gratitude to the omnipotent, to Mother Nature. Thank you. Thank you every little second. Keep saying thank you to God, to those who believe only in a superpower, to nature, to Mother Earth, for allowing us to exist on this planet, for every breath that we take. Now we move to music. And what are we going to do today? I have put together a few shlokas from different references. One from the Narayanian, one from the Subramanya Bhujangam, the Dhanvantri mantra, and finally the Mahamrutyunjaya mantra. I will present a few shlokas in raga format, and finally I request all of you to join me in chanting. I will set the pace. I will sing it first and you follow me, and after the first few times we will do it together. This is from the Narayaniyam, and it is a shloka for solution to incurable diseases. Asmin paratman, asmin paratman, nanu padmakalpe, asmin paratman, nanu padmakalpe, tvamittamuthapita padmayoni, ananta bhuma mama rogarashim nirudhivatalaya Vishnu, ananta bhuma mama rogarashim nirudhivatalaya Vishnu, 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 Vishnu. அடுத்த ஸ்லோகம் வந்து சுப்பிரமணிய புஜங்கம்லேருந்து. இது வந்து சகல விதமான பிணிகளை, வியாதிகளை போக்க வல்ல ஒரு ஸ்லோகம். இந்த ஸ்லோகம் வந்து கந்தன் திருவடி வச்சு நாம வந்து பிரார்த்தனை பண்ணினோன்னு சகல விதமான பிணிகளையும் போக்க முடியும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றார் ஆதிசங்கரர். अपस्मार कुष्ठ क्षयार्षः प्रमेह ज्वरोन्माद गुल्मादिरोगामघान्तः पिशाचाक्ष सर्वे भवत्पत्रभूतिं विलोक्य क्षणात्तारकारे द्रवन्ते द्रवन्ते द्रव पिशाचाक्ष सर्वे भवत्पत्रभूतिं विलोक्य क्षणात् तारकारे द्रवन्ति. அடுத்தது தன்வந்திரி ஸ்லோகம். இதுல ரெண்டு விதமான சாண்ட் இருக்கு. முதல்ல என்ன சொல்றதுன்னா, எல்லாருக்கும் வரம் தருபவரும் வாசுதேவராக இருப்பவரும் அமிர்த கலசத்தை கையில் ஏந்தி இருப்பவரும் சகல நோய்களை தீர்க்க வந்தவரும் ஆகிய தன்வந்தரி பகவான் நீவிர் மகாவிஷ்ணுவின் மறு அவதாரம். கடவுளே, மகாவிஷ்ணுவே, தன்வந்தரி பகவானே, இவ்வுலகிற்கு வந்த நோய்களை நீக்கி எம்மை ஆசீர்வதிக்கும்படி கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன் இந்த ஸ்லோகத்தை பாடி. ஓம் நமோ பகவதே வாசுதேவாய. धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्व 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 आमय विनाशनाय त्रिलोक्यनाथाय महाविष्णवे नमः. महाविष्णवे नमः. ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. धन्वन्तरये अमृतकलशहस्ताय सर्वकामय विनाशनाय त्रिलोक्यनाथाय महाविष्णवे नमः. नमः. This next shloka, I request all of you to say the chant after I say it, rather sing it. It's very easy. I'm going to keep it very simple. சங்கீதமே தெரியாதவா கூட இதை சொல்லலாம். நீங்க ஸ்ருதியை பத்தி யோசிக்காதீங்க, தாளத்தை பத்தி யோசிக்காதீங்க, என்ன ராகம் யோசிக்காதீங்க. என்ன கேட்கறதோ, உங்களுக்கு காதுல என்ன விழறதோ அதை நான் சொல்லி முடிச்ச அப்புறம் நீங்க சொல்லுங்க 2 தடவை. அதுக்கப்புறம் நம்ம சேர்ந்து 4 தடவை சொல்லலாம். பக்தியோட, பக்தி பரவசத்தோட இந்த உலகத்தின் க்ஷேமத்திற்காக நாம எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து let's put this prayer together. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahe. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahe. Amrita Kalashahastaya Dhimahi. Amrita Kalashahastaya धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् ॐ तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे all of us ॐ तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे अमृतकलशहस्ताय धीमहि all of us अमृतकलशहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् all of us तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् all together 4 times all of us start 1 2 3 ॐ तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे अमृतकलशहस्ताय धीमहि तन्नो धन्वन्तरि प्रचोदयात् 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 We next move to the Maha Mantra Mrityunjaya Mantra. Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra. It is from the Japa Yoga of Swami Shivananda. This mantra, it has been archived that it is a weapon against all diseases. It means we, the people, we worship the three-eyed one, Shiva, who is fragrant, who nourishes all. Like the ripened cucumber that falls off from the bondage of the creeper, like how it severs its bondage, may we be liberated from death, from mortality. The Maha Mrityunjaya Mantra. The same format. Let me say it. You will repeat after me, and then we will all chant 4 times. Please hold the note Let's say the note as Aum. A-U-M. Aum. Again. Trayambakam yajamahe Trayambakam yajamahe Sugandhim pushtivardhanam Sugandhim pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiya mamritat Mrityormukshiya mamritat. This is the chant. Once again, I will sing it, you will repeat it. Trayambakam yajamahe Trayambakam yajamahe Sugandhim pushtivardhanam Sugandhim pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiya mamritat Mrityormukshiya mamritat. Takadimi, 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 takadimi. This is the beat we are going to try. Let's all chant slowly together. The Om is long. Trayambakam yajamahe Sugandhim pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiya mamritat. Those of you who can't hold the long note, it's okay. Just follow the rhythm so that we can all be together on the same page. Trayambakam yajamahe Sugandhim pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan Mrityormukshiya mamritat. Trayambakam yajamahe Sugandhim pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva bandhanan mrityormukshiyamamritat. 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 Thank you for joining me in the mantra. We're now going to chant a simpler mantra. All of you have heard of Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. We use the same Revati Ragam as simple as possible. It's just to bring in more positivity, positive vibes, positive energy and goodness and concentration on the Supreme. Always when we chant something together, there have been so many sessions that have been happening on social media over the last few days, requesting people to chant together at a certain particular time. Let's do this together, and then probably I will answer a few questions that have come up. Before we move to the mantra, I want to wish you all more and more and more good health, happiness, peace of mind, less of anxiety, restlessness and panic. Let's be more contained. Let's follow the rules that the government has told us to follow. Simple rules. Stay indoors. Stay in your homes. Stay in isolation. Please go out only if very, very necessary to buy medicines or some provision that you have run out and cannot do without. If you need vegetables, wear a mask. Come back home and please immediately wash your hands thoroughly before you touch anything else or you speak to anyone in your family. Let's now move to the chant. Close your eyes. Be in the chant. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Thank you to all of you for being with me in this session of prayer. I'm just going to mention a few names who have joined us. Lakshmi Bala, Manasa, Srinivasan Vasan, Sridhar KV, Lata Ganesh, Raghu Vasishta, Raji Balaji, Muthuswami Kalyana Sundaram, Shanti Sundararaman. Thank you, Kalpana, for saying thank you for, as you have mentioned, a significant gift. As I requested you, you have all been absorbed in the shlokas, concentrated and brought your mind, soul and being into the shloka. You can do this by yourself, maybe once or twice a day with your family. to remove any negativity that enters your house, to keep the positive energy strengthened. For us as humanity to progress towards a solution, towards good health, towards well-being, it's necessary. I know there might be a few of you who I even wish not to say it, who might be atheists, who don't believe in the Supreme Being, who believe in logic, who believe in the practical way the world moves, who believe in science, who believe in just happenings. But let us who have trust in the guiding force that comes from above, from within each of us, Aham Brahmasmi. Let us generate these positive vibes and help to spread this across the world. Swaminatha Sharma says not to post mantras as they are Veda mantras and ipdi padina there will not be a solution அப்படினு சொல்றார். சங்கீதத்துல ராகம் இருக்கிறத பாட சொல்றார். செய்யலாம் கண்டிப்பா. இந்த செஷனை நாம இப்படி செஞ்சிருக்கோம். அடுத்த செஷனை ஜஸ்ட் ராகம்ஸ் பாடி we can be together. The reason for the chant was for each of you to be in the positivity. But if there is someone who feels that it should not be done, we will follow that too. யார் நல்ல விஷயம் சொன்னாலும் அதை எடுத்துக்கிறதுக்கு நம்ம ரெடியா இருக்கணும். நான் ரெடியா இருக்கேன். Thank you, Swaminatha Sharma ji, for your comment. Abhinaya asks for what is the ragam of the first sloka. I think it's the Narayaniyam. It was Bauli, a morning raga, a raga that is sung at dawn. Geeta Sharada says it is difficult to log in at 8:30 a.m. இந்த 8:30 மணி வந்து வச்சிருக்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு காரணம் இருக்கு. அது என்னன்னா எல்லாரும் ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷா இருக்கும். இது வந்து ரொம்ப நாளி இல்லை, ரொம்ப நேரமும் இல்லை, ஒரு 15லேருந்து 30 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ள தான். அதனால நம்ம மற்ற வேலையை வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஒதுக்கி வச்சுட்டு இதுக்கு செலவழிக்க முடியுமோன்ற ஒரு யோஜனையில ஒரு நம்பிக்கையில செஞ்சிருக்கு. Also, it is easy for people across the world, be it Australia or England or the Middle East or Europe or even the United States and Canada, to join this session if it is 8:30 a.m. Maybe the next session we will look at a different time. I have meanwhile a message from a Sanskrit scholar who says that these slokas, if the ucharipa is right, they can be chanted So just like there are different opinions for different issues, I guess we have different scholars expressing their opinions, but we need to respect every little positive and constructive, productive message that we get. So let us close this session with smiles, with positivity. I keep saying the word positive again and again and again so that it stays rooted in your mind and you say it to other people. So it's a chain of good energy. எல்லாரும் சந்தோஷமா இருங்கோ, வீட்டிலேயே இருங்கோ, தயவு செய்து. அது மட்டும்தான் நம்ம முக்கியமாக பண்ணணும். நம்ம ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் அந்த பொறுப்புணர்ச்சியை ஏத்துண்டு இந்த உலகத்துக்கு நாம செய்யறது ஒரு நல்ல விஷயம். இத்தினோண்டு விஷயம்தான் இருக்கலாம் அது, ஆனா அது உலகத்துக்கு க்ஷேமத்தை உண்டாக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சுண்டு எல்லாருமே நம்ம வீட்டுக்குள்ள இருக்கணும். நல்ல விஷயங்களை மட்டும் நிறைய ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்ணணும்னு. அதுவும் இல்லாத இருக்க முடியும், தியானத்தில் இருக்க முடியும், சங்கீதத்தில் இருக்க முடியும். சங்கீதம் பாடணும் மட்டும் அவசியம் இல்லை. எனக்கு பாட தெரியாதே அப்படின்னு யாரோ கேட்கலாம். சங்கீதம் நிறைய இருக்கு, யூடியூப்லேயும் ஆன்லைன்லேயும் சீரீஸ்லேயும் நிறைய சங்கீதம் கேளுங்கோ. I really feel music is an elixir for goodness. So let's close this session with saying good health and more sessions with ragas and compositions. Maybe I will have an FB live with teaching a simple song, a simple kriti. If you have any suggestions, please message us, and whatever is possible, whatever is practically possible, I will take up that particular kriti and teach that in one of the sessions that will follow in this 21-day isolation period. Namaskaram.